today in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, just press for a while on the application and drag it to the another application. And as can you see right now, we got here a new folder, and by the same way you can add 1, 2, 3 or more application. And now just we'll tap here on the folder. Here you can tap to the edit name, so we can rename our folder, for example like apps. And now just tap to OK, and as can you see, we got a new name of our folder right now. If you want, you can also move the folder here on the screen or between the screens, just by the same way. Just press for a while and drag it, move it here to the screen where you want to just. Also, if you want to just remove the application from the folder, just tap on the folder and for a while tap here on the application. You can move it here on your screen by this way. Also, you can remove the item from here, and then you will find this removed icon here from your regular menu. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.